Hey YouTube, do you have a bad dual output regulator that maybe is leaking on you and you're trying to replace? Well, let me tell you how I saved almost $500 and bypassed all this annoying custom hardware on this Kenmore grill. You see, they don't really make things to be fixed anymore, which is why we're gonna do something pretty unique with the scissors, a screwdriver, and these T-fittings here. This is a nice little, I guess, Y fitting with some ball valves. I really like it. It was an Amazon find for 10 bucks. But that $10 investment is going to save me about $300 to replace the grill parts. First thing I'm going to do is take off this old regulator. This is the problem. This thing, it just had a lot of use, and so, but what really you need to do to repair one of these is understand kind of what you're dealing with. Some of these hose fittings are crimp fit or factory fit, and this is a 5/16 hose, I believe is the size. So I'm going to push this Y fitting in here. And this one kind of has these kind of screw clamps, which work really, really well and get it down nice and tight. So I'm going to tighten that in. Boom. There we go. It's going to be nice and happy here in just a minute. But yeah, we're going to kind of speed things through. So we got these 5/16 hoses, and just get to know what kind of hose diameter you have, and that bypasses the need to really re-crimp fittings or do anything weird like these threaded things I got on my replacement. See, this replacement hose I bought on Amazon had the regulator for the propane, but it had an annoyingly incorrect fitting for the output, so I just cut that off and then I spliced it into the source on this Y fitting here. So yeah, it's coming together pretty well. This total repair took about 9 minutes. Now I wanted to keep the functionality of that side burner here, so what I did is I cut that hose as well, and you could actually get this done with just you know, a barb pass through, it's called, but I wanted to use this Y fitting so that I could keep that other one. Let's throw that old thing away, that hunk of junk. You know, easy point of failure when you got lots of moving parts, but really grill repair is super simple. I've done a lot of it in the last couple years, and usually people throw things away for the simplest of reasons. So if you can, you know, find an easy way to repair some hoses or some burners or some valves, you can really make a lot of money flipping grills or just honestly keeping up your own stuff. All right, I'm going to put this new regulator, attach it to the propane. Going to flip that on. Okay, nice. Got flow. I noticed a little bit of leak, so I'm going to test anyway. And yes, I hear the gas, but no flame. And I think I just needed to go back and retighten down these screw fittings. So that's what I'm going to do next. I'm also just kind of testing the side burner here. I notice it's a little sticky. Here we go. I'm going to just take my screwdriver now and just tighten down those screw fittings a little tighter. I apologize, it's a little off camera here. But yeah, I hope this helps you guys. And this was a super fun find for me on Amazon that they had this exact diameter Y fitting. I'll try to post a link to that. So I'm going to turn it back on after tightening those down, and boom, we got flame. That's great. Could still use a cleanup job. It's been sitting since last fall. But yeah, I got a hiss on the left side as well, meaning we do have air or gas coming through to the side burner, so I'm really happy about that. I hope this video helped you guys out. This $10 thing helped me save, you know, the cost of replacement here for this grill, and really happy. So thanks a lot. Take care. God bless, and happy grilling.